If you're looking to elevate your custom printing projects, you're in the right place. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best large format sublimation printer to help you create stunning, high-quality designs on banners, fabrics, and more. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Epson SureColor F170 Sublimation Printer. The Epson SureColor F170 Sublimation Printer has quickly earned a reputation as a reliable and professional-grade option for anyone looking to produce high-quality sublimation prints. Featuring Epson's acclaimed precision core printhead technology, this model excels at delivering precision droplet control, which ensures every image comes through with sharp detail and vivid color accuracy. It's an excellent choice for crafters, small business owners, or hobbyists eager to create everything from custom t-shirts to mugs and mouse pads. The F170 comes as a complete bundle including a full set of Epson sublimation ink, user guide, AC power cable, sublimation starter blanks, thermal tape, and 2 paper size options: 8.5 inches by 11 inches and 8.5 inches by 14 inches. The genuine Epson dye sublimation ink provides vibrant color saturation and striking contrast, ensuring your final products look professional and polished. Another thoughtful feature is its 150-sheet auto-feed tray and dust-resistant closed paper compartment, which maintains the cleanliness and quality of each print while minimizing paper prep. One of the standout aspects is the high-capacity ink bottles with auto-stop functionality that simplify refilling, preventing messy spills and maximizing ink usage. This not only saves money on consumables, but also extends time between replacements, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Additionally, it's compatible with Epson DS multi-use transfer paper, specially formulated for sublimation and usable on both soft and rigid materials, adding versatility to your printing projects. This makes it a smart, well-rounded option for those managing varied print jobs in a busy setting. While it's primarily optimized for Epson's materials, it also works with other sublimation paper brands, like Sawgrass and Brother, providing flexibility in your workflow. Number 2. HP OfficeJet Pro Sublimation Printer. The HP OfficeJet Pro Sublimation Printer brings an excellent blend of affordability, efficiency, and print quality to both home and small office settings. One of the standout features of this model is its innovative cartridge-free printing system, which completely eliminates the need for those tiny, costly ink cartridges. Instead, it uses high-capacity ink tanks that are easily refillable with HP's EcoFit ink bottles. This design not only simplifies refilling, but also drastically reduces waste, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The cost savings are impressive, with users able to save up to 90% on ink costs when switching from traditional cartridges. Each set of replacement ink bottles is enough to produce up to 4,500 black and 7,500 color pages, which equates to about 90 individual cartridges, a serious game changer for high-volume users. Adding to its value, the printer arrives with up to 2 years of ink in the box, giving buyers peace of mind and fewer last-minute ink runs. Print quality is another area where the HP OfficeJet Pro Sublimation Printer excels, thanks to its micro-piezo heat-free technology, which ensures crisp text and vibrant, color-accurate photos and graphics on a variety of paper types. A built-in high-resolution flatbed scanner and copier enhance its versatility, making it an all-in-one solution for handling daily document tasks. Navigating settings and features is also a breeze with its intuitive color display. Additionally, it operates reliably within a temperature range of 50 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, suiting most office and home environments. Number 3. Pinckney Cartridge Sublimation Printer. The Pinckney Cartridge Sublimation Printer positions itself as an excellent choice for professionals and creatives who need precise, large-format prints with reliable performance. Offering screen-accurate prints up to 11 by 17 inches, this printer shines with its enhanced color accuracy, made possible by its advanced P3 technology. By utilizing a wider color gamut compared to traditional sRGB, it delivers richer, truer tones, making it ideal for floor plans, mood boards, and marketing materials where color fidelity matters. One major convenience feature is the inclusion of a 3-month instant ink subscription when activating HP Plus, ensuring ink arrives at your doorstep before you run out. After the initial period, a monthly fee applies, but users can continue saving up to 50% on ink costs, which is a worthwhile trade-off for hassle-free replenishment. Beyond ink management, the Pinckney Cartridge Sublimation printer boasts a solid suite of upgraded features, including fast color printing, automatic two-sided printing, an auto document feeder, and dual 250-sheet input trays, making it suitable for high-volume office workflows. With print speeds reaching 18 pages per minute for color and 22 for black, productivity stays consistently high. Number 4. Pinckney Cartridge Sublimation Printer. The Pinckney Cartridge Sublimation Printer is a smart, budget-conscious option for anyone seeking a wireless, cartridge-free sublimation printing solution. Unlike traditional models, this all-in-one printer is designed with SuperTank ink technology, eliminating the need for disposable ink cartridges and offering a far more economical option for regular use. It doubles as a scanner and copier, making it a flexible choice for home studios or small businesses. The sublimation ink set includes a substantial 127 milliliters of black ink, along with 85 milliliters each of magenta, cyan, and yellow, providing generous capacity for continuous printing without frequent refills. This ink is sometimes shipped separately based on logistics, but the process is smooth and user-friendly. One of the standout features is the easy fill, auto-stop nozzle design, which perfectly fits the printer's ink inlet. This thoughtful addition eliminates the need for syringes or squeezing bottles, reducing mess and preventing ink leakage. A significant convenience for busy print shops and home-based creators alike. When it comes to versatility, the Pinckney printer supports a wide range of paper sizes, from standard letter and legal sheets to more niche sizes like a 6, executive, and even extra-long 8.5-inch by 47.2-inch media. Number 5. Sawgrass SG500 Sublimation Printer. The Sawgrass SG500 Sublimation Printer stands out as a professional-grade machine tailored for small businesses, home-based entrepreneurs, and serious hobbyists aiming for high-definition, customized print projects. Renowned for its vibrant and precise output, this model uses a rich CMYK inkset of Sublimation UHD ink cartridges, each carefully formulated in small batches to guarantee consistent color reproduction across a variety of materials. This makes it particularly suitable for t-shirts, drinkware, promotional merchandise, and signage. One of the SG500's key advantages is its compact, desktop-friendly design, which belies its professional-level capabilities. Despite its small footprint, it can handle media up to 8.5 inches by 14 inches and, with the optional bypass tray, even prints as long as 51 inches, providing flexibility for both small and large projects. The Sawgrass SG500 isn't just about hardware, though. It's paired with the intuitive MySawgrass platform, an online design tool loaded with templates for easy product customization. Combined with Sawgrass print utility software, users benefit from smart preset features and superior color management tools that ensure each print comes out as intended. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to both new and experienced sublimation enthusiasts.